Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna talk about wild bird breeds. Whether you are a bird watcher or just nature enthusiast, learning about different wild bird breeds can be fascinating. So let's get started. First of all, we'll be grateful to subscribe us and please turn on notification button to be notified of the next videos. Bald eagle, a large bird of prey with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. The bald eagle is a symbol of the United States and is known for its white head and brown body. American goldfinch, a small, brightly colored bird with a distinctive black and yellow pattern. The American goldfinch is a common sight in gardens and meadows throughout North America. Atlantic puffin, a small, colorful seabird with a distinctive and brightly colored beak. The Atlantic puffin is found in North Atlantic and is known for its cute appearance. Barn owl, a medium-sized owl with a distinctive heart-shaped face. The barn owl is found worldwide and is known for its ability to hunt silently in the dark. Blue jay, a medium-sized bird with a blue and white pattern and distinctive crest on its head. The blue jay is found in eastern North America and is known for its loud and distinctive call. Canada goose, a large water bird found throughout North America. The Canada goose is known for its distinctive black head and neck, and its V-shaped formation during migration. Common loon, a large, distinctive bird with a black and white pattern and distinctive call. The common loon is found in freshwater lakes throughout North America. Great horned owl, a large, powerful owl with distinctive ear tufts. The great horned owl is found throughout North and South America and is known for its hooting call. Northern cardinal, a medium-sized bird with a distinctive red plumage. The northern cardinal is found in North America and is known for its beautiful song. Peregrine falcon, a large, fast-flying bird of prey with a wingspan of up to 4 feet. The peregrine falcon is found worldwide and is known for its ability to dive at speeds of over 200 miles per hour when hunting. Ruby-throated hummingbird, A small, fast-flying bird with a bright red throat and iridescent green feathers. The ruby-throated hummingbird is found in North America and is known for its ability to hover in midair while feeding on nectar. Snowy owl, a large, white owl with yellow eyes. The snowy owl is found in Arctic and is known for its ability to survive in extreme cold temperatures. So, the first part finished. Thank you for your watching. I hope it can be helpful. Tell us which breed you like the most in the comments. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you!